So Microsoft just released a brand new version of the Microsoft Notepad, and in this version they are releasing brand new Windows 11 Fluent design to the Microsoft Notepad, as well as some other brand new features. For example, the major one is the dark mode of the actual Notepad. So if I show you right here, if I go to the settings at the top right, and here we have the app theme. So here I can choose the dark or to use system settings, so to follow the system color, right? And then we also have the font, which is a brand new addition to the Microsoft Notepad. So we have the font family, font style, and also font size. For example, let's say if I like, let's say impact font, and then I will select the regular style, and let's say I want something bigger, let's say 24, and the text should look something like that. Here I just pasted some William Shakespeare text, so you can clearly see what it looks like on the brand new Notepad. And they are also introducing, if I go to the edit right here and to the find, and here we have the brand new find window right here. So if I, let's say, search for many, we have here many, right? So many is right here. And they are also introducing in this build productivity, performance, and reliability in this build. So regardless of how you guys actually incorporate Notepad into your workflows, this will ensure that Notepad continues to excel in those areas. In the preview version they are releasing also today, there are a number of known issues. So in my opinion, this is a brand new release for also Windows insiders. So if you are on beta channel of the Windows 11 and also on the stable build, this wouldn't be possible. So you need to be actually on the developer channel of the Windows. But there is also not all sunshine and roses, because as I said before, in this build are some issues. For example, this includes issues affecting keyboard access, keys usage for when switching between different input languages, for example using Japanese EMEI, and also under certain circumstances you will also notice unexpected behavior when using shift click to select text, or also when scrolling. So they are also continuing to improve the performance for when opening very large files in this brand new release of the Notepad for Windows. So let me also show you the version of this Notepad. So the version is currently, which is the latest one with the dark theme as well, 11.21, 11.0.64.0. So this is the latest version. Make sure to download it from the Microsoft Store, and also make sure that you are actually on the Microsoft developer channel of the Windows 11. So with that said, if you haven't already, smack the subscribe button and also like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I will end this video with the note from William Shakespeare. So he said, "We know what we are, but know not what we may be."